Welcome to the exciting world of 5G network development. In this guide, we will unravel the complexities of building a 5G network. Our journey will cover the essential steps from planning to deployment. Get ready to dive into the future of connectivity. Let's begin our exploration of 5G technology. 5G technology represents the next generation of mobile networks. It promises faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. Understanding its core components is crucial for successful deployment. This chapter will explore the fundamental aspects of 5G. Let's delve into what makes 5G a revolutionary technology. Effective planning is the backbone of any successful 5G network. It involves assessing the current infrastructure and identifying necessary upgrades. Strategic planning ensures seamless integration with existing systems. This chapter will guide you through the planning process. Let's explore the key considerations for 5G network planning. Spectrum allocation is a critical step in building a 5G network. It involves securing the necessary frequencies for operation. Understanding regulatory requirements is essential. This chapter will discuss the importance of spectrum in 5G deployment. Let's examine the process of obtaining and managing spectrum licenses. Assessing existing infrastructure is vital for 5G deployment. It involves evaluating current capabilities and identifying gaps. This step ensures compatibility with new technologies. In this chapter, we will explore infrastructure assessment strategies. Let's discover how to prepare existing networks for 5G integration. Site acquisition is a crucial phase in building a 5G network. It involves identifying and securing locations for network equipment. This step ensures optimal coverage and performance. In this chapter, we will explore the site acquisition process. Let's learn how to choose the best locations for 5G infrastructure. Designing a 5G network requires careful consideration of various factors. It involves creating a blueprint for network architecture and layout. This step ensures efficient and effective network performance. In this chapter, we will delve into the principles of 5G network design. Let's explore the art of designing a robust 5G network. Choosing the right equipment is essential for 5G network success. It involves selecting hardware and software that meet performance requirements. Compatibility with existing systems is also crucial. This chapter will guide you through the equipment selection process. Let's discover how to choose the best tools for 5G deployment. Installing and integrating equipment is a critical step in 5G deployment. It involves setting up hardware and ensuring seamless operation with existing systems. Proper installation is key to network reliability. In this chapter, we will explore installation and integration techniques. Let's learn how to bring the network components together. Testing and optimizing the network ensures peak performance. It involves evaluating network functionality and making necessary adjustments. This step is crucial for identifying and resolving issues. In this chapter, we will discuss testing and optimization strategies. Let's explore how to fine-tune a 5G network for optimal performance. Implementing security measures is vital for protecting a 5G network. It involves safeguarding against potential threats and vulnerabilities. Security protocols must be robust and up-to-date. In this chapter, we will explore strategies for securing a 5G network. Let's learn how to keep the network safe from cyber threats. Ensuring regulatory compliance is critical in 5G network deployment. It involves adhering to industry standards and legal requirements. Compliance ensures smooth operation and avoids legal issues. This chapter will guide you through the regulatory landscape. Let's explore how to maintain compliance in a 5G network. Deploying the network involves rolling out the 5G infrastructure. It requires careful coordination and execution. This step brings the network to life and enables connectivity. In this chapter, we will explore the deployment process. Let's discover how to launch a 5G network successfully. Monitoring network performance is essential for ongoing success. It involves tracking key metrics and identifying areas for improvement. Continuous monitoring ensures optimal network operation. In this chapter, we will discuss performance monitoring techniques. Let's learn how to keep a 5G network running smoothly. Enhancing user experience is a priority in 5G networks. It involves optimizing network features to meet user needs. Positive user experience drives adoption and satisfaction. In this chapter, we will explore strategies for improving user experience. Let's discover how to make 5G a user-friendly technology. Maintaining the network is crucial for long-term success. It involves routine checks and updates to ensure reliability. Proactive maintenance prevents issues and extends network life. In this chapter, we will discuss network maintenance strategies. Let's learn how to keep a 5G network in top condition. Scaling the network involves expanding its reach and capacity. It requires strategic planning and resource allocation. Scaling ensures the network meets growing demand. In this chapter, we will explore network scaling techniques. Let's discover how to grow a 5G network efficiently. 5G technology enables innovative applications and services. It opens new possibilities for industries and consumers. Exploring these innovations is key to leveraging 5G's potential. In this chapter, we will discuss exciting 5G applications. Let's explore the future of 5G technology. Environmental considerations are important in 5G deployment. It involves minimizing the ecological impact of network infrastructure. Sustainable practices ensure responsible development. In this chapter, we will explore environmental strategies. Let's learn how to build a 5G network with sustainability in mind. Managing costs is essential in 5G network development. It involves budgeting and resource allocation to maximize efficiency. Cost management ensures financial viability. In this chapter, we will discuss strategies for controlling expenses. Let's explore how to build a cost-effective 5G network. Building a 5G network involves collaboration with various partners. It requires identifying and engaging with key stakeholders. Partnerships enhance network capabilities and reach. In this chapter, we will explore partnership opportunities. Let's discover how to leverage partnerships for 5G success. The future of 5G technology is full of exciting possibilities. It involves staying informed about emerging trends and innovations. Understanding these trends is key to staying competitive. In this chapter, we will discuss future trends in 5G. Let's explore what's on the horizon for 5G technology. We've journeyed through the intricate process of building a 5G network. From planning to deployment, each step is vital for success. Understanding these elements is key to unlocking 5G's potential. As we conclude, remember the importance of each phase. Thank you for joining us on this 5G exploration. Thank you for exploring the world of 5G technology with us. We hope this guide has been informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of connectivity.